Some people think that lectins in foods are evil. Remember that lectins are proteins made by plants as a self-defense mechanism to avoid being eaten by predators. They act as a low-level toxin. For example, if you just ate a few raw kidney beans, but who would do that, it would make you really sick because they're toxic. So while there's lectins found in most foods, most lectins can be eliminated almost completely through proper food preparation. Lectins are a concern because they're part of a larger group of substances called anti-nutrients. There's many of them, like phytic acid, oxalates, tannins, and lectins. They're produced by almost every plant as a survival mechanism. The concern of what they do to our body is they can be damaging to our gut. They can set us up, that damage can set us up for autoimmune disease, and they can significantly interfere with the absorption of important minerals and nutrients. That's why they're called anti-nutrients. So the best, healthiest diet would be wide in variety, but properly prepared and cooked for the best nutrition. So on to food prep. I always soak dried beans, lentils, rice, at least overnight. I like to soak them for about 24 hours and change out the water halfway. Then I rinse them well and cook them well. High heat and wet heat reduce lectin levels more effectively than dry heat and slow cooking. Another reason to love my Instant Pot. And then when I make homemade nut milks, I always soak the nuts for about 8 hours prior because nuts are also high in anti-nutrients. I also like to cook some of the veggies that I throw in smoothies, especially greens, because they contain oxalates that can be harmful to the thyroid. So I hope both my videos on lectins have helped you understand the lectin situation, and also note that anyone that recommends a raw foods diet, that would also be a lot higher in lectins and anti-nutrients. So it's always good to be informed. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.